Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove emergency call from lock screen. So if you have applied a lock screen and you are displaying your lock screen is displaying as emergency call, so you guys can just simply remove that single option too. So in this way, you guys can protect your device. So in order to and do that, you have to just simply, without wasting time, let's get started. Simply open up your phone settings. So after opening up your phone settings, simply search for password or security, or you guys can just simply go to lock screen. So in the lock screen, you have to just simply scroll down. So in the scroll down, you guys can just simply search for fingerprint, face data, and screen lock. Just simply click on that. So you guys have to just simply open up the password and security section of your phone. The user interface of my device will be changed, but the method will be same. So you guys have to simply follow the method. So here what you have to do is simply open up any of the emergency settings here. So you guys can see in this, here is the emergency setting. You guys can just simply click on privacy to open up the privacies of your phone. And here what you have to do is simply search for any emergency option. So you guys can see in my device there is no any option which is emergency SOS. So you guys can just simply go back and simply go to wireless emergency alerts, and you guys have to simply toggle it off. So here is an option which you can allow to in order to remove the emergency call from lock screen. In your device settings, you guys can also remove any of the option which is like emergency call option or emergency SOS. So here is the single option which is wireless emergency alert. You guys can just simply turn it off, and in this way you guys can remove emergency call from lock screen. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.